Welcome to Money Growth Lab, where your hustle meets strategy and your money learns how to multiply. We're diving deep into using powerful AI tools to automate your income streams starting right now. Our ultimate goal here is simple: to help you generate income automatically so you can reclaim your time and focus your energy on what truly matters. We're not just talking about small tweaks, we're unleashing a complete revolution in your income generation methods. Imagine building businesses that work for you even while you sleep. The benefits are massive. This is your clear pathway to building truly passive income streams that can scale without your constant manual effort. You'll learn how to build entirely automated online businesses from the ground up, leveraging the incredible power of artificial intelligence. What do you need to succeed? Just your creativity and a genuine willingness to learn new, exciting methods. That's it. Forget everything you thought about needing complex technical skills. There is absolutely no complex coding required for any of these strategies. Seriously, you don't need a tech background whatsoever. If you can use a computer and have an internet connection, you have everything you need to get started today. First up, the tool that kicked off the AI revolution for so many, ChatGPT. This is your ultimate AI-powered content creation machine. The core skill to master here is the art of AI-powered content creation, learning how to prompt and refine AI output to meet your specific needs. How can you turn this skill into income? You can monetize your abilities by selling a custom chatbot or AI assistant services to businesses. You can also sell done-for-you social media content packs, using ChatGPT to create 30-day content calendars, captions, and visuals for businesses and individuals. Offering blog articles written and optimized with AI is another fantastic income method, providing valuable content quickly and efficiently. Don't stop there. Selling business content like website copy, marketing materials, and reports is a highly lucrative avenue. With ChatGPT as your foundation, you can literally launch an entire content business from scratch, handling multiple clients and projects with unprecedented speed. Next, let's talk about making your content look absolutely stunning and highly sellable. Enter our second AI tool, Canva Magic Studio, the design powerhouse. This tool is specifically designed for creating visually stunning, professional quality content that people are eager to buy or engage with. Think about the demand for beautiful social media templates. You can design and sell these easily, providing value to creators and businesses. Pitch decks are essential for startups and sales teams. Canva Magic Studio lets you create polished, persuasive presentations in no time. YouTube thumbnails are critical for video views. You can design eye-catching thumbnails that make videos pop and attract clicks. The speed is incredible. You can create professional-grade content in mere minutes, not hours or days. A direct income method is to sell your designs on platforms like Creative Market or even your own website, reaching a global audience. Alternatively, and just as powerfully, you can use Canva Magic Studio to elevate your own brand across all your platforms. Boosting your own sales becomes significantly easier when your marketing materials, social media graphics, and website visuals are top-notch and professional. Now, let's uncover a secret weapon for persuasive communication and sales, Copy.ai. This third AI tool specializes in high-converting copywriting. Mastering Copy.ai means you can launch a freelance copywriting business, offering services that are in massive demand across every industry. One of its key strengths is automating ad content creation, generating multiple variations of compelling ad copy for platforms like Facebook, Google, and Instagram. It also excels at automating sales content creation, producing product descriptions, sales pages, and promotional emails that drive conversions. Automating email content creation is a game changer, allowing you to build email sequences, newsletters, and outreach messages rapidly. This tool is ideal for marketing agencies looking to scale their content output dramatically without hiring a massive team. It's equally perfect for solopreneurs who need to produce high volumes of effective copy for their own projects and businesses. Video is king, especially short-form video. The fourth AI tool, called Opus Clip, is the ultimate tool for transforming your longer videos into viral short content. Its primary function is taking your long-form videos, like podcasts, webinars, or YouTube videos, and intelligently clipping them. The output is ready-to-go, viral short-form content perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and more. The efficiency is astounding. It's often a single-click transformation process, saving you hours of manual editing time. The major benefit is the ability to rapidly grow your social media presence across multiple platforms, simultaneously using existing content. Beyond growing your own channels, you can offer short-form video editing as a service to clients, leveraging Opus Clip's speed and effectiveness. Imagine charging for creating dozens of viral clips from a single hour-long video, all done in minutes with AI assistance. This tool is essential for anyone serious about video marketing and reaching audiences on the most popular social platforms today. It democratizes the process of creating engaging, bite-sized video content that captures attention in a fast-scrolling world. Opus Clip analyzes your video to find the most compelling moments, automatically adding captions and optimizing the format for vertical viewing. This automation means you spend less time editing and more time distributing your content and engaging with your audience. Offering this service is highly attractive to busy content creators and businesses who understand the value of short video but lack the time or skills to create it consistently. You become the expert who can quickly and efficiently deliver a stream of high-potential viral content from their existing video library. This creates a scalable business model where your output capacity is dramatically increased by the AI's speed and efficiency. It's not just about saving time, it's about identifying and packaging the most engaging parts of a video that are most likely to perform well on short-form platforms. Opus Clip helps ensure that the short clips retain context and hook the viewer immediately, which is crucial for virality. By mastering this tool, you position yourself at the forefront of short-form video content strategy and execution. This allows you to build a reputation and a business around helping others succeed in the competitive short-form video landscape. It's a powerful example of how AI can take a time-consuming, manual task and automate it into a streamlined, profitable service. Leveraging Opus Clip means you can handle more clients and generate more content than ever before, directly impacting your income potential. Prepare for the next frontier in content creation, generating video from scratch using AI. Introducing the fifth AI tool, Google VEO, their new video generation model. Its groundbreaking function is generating ultra-realistic, high-definition videos purely from text prompts. You simply describe the scene, action, or style you want using simple text prompts, and VEO brings it to life. The output quality is designed to be cinematic, producing videos that look professionally shot and edited, complete with dynamic camera movements and visual effects. The most incredible benefit? You can produce high-quality videos without needing a camera, actors, or physical sets. Your imagination is the only limit. This tool is set to be a game changer for filmmakers looking to prototype ideas or create scenes that are impossible or too expensive to film traditionally. It's also incredibly powerful for marketers who need custom video content for ads, social media, or websites without the overhead of traditional video production. And of course, it's a revolutionary tool for content creators across all niches, enabling them to produce unique visual stories and explanations effortlessly. The key action now is to learn how to get started with VEO as it becomes more widely available and integrated into workflows. More importantly, you need to learn how to profit from VEO, whether by selling generated video clips, creating unique video content for clients, or building entirely new video-centric businesses. Imagine creating stock footage that doesn't exist anywhere else, producing animated explainers in minutes, or generating personalized video messages at scale. Google VO represents a massive leap forward in generative AI, moving beyond text and images into the complex world of video. Early adopters who master this technology will have a significant advantage in the market, offering services and products that others simply cannot. This tool has the potential to disrupt traditional video production workflows and open up entirely new creative and commercial possibilities. Learning to write effective prompts for VEO will be a valuable skill, translating your vision into tangible, high-quality video output. The ability to iterate quickly on video concepts, generating multiple versions or styles from the same prompt, is incredibly powerful for creative and marketing purposes. Think about the potential for creating unique visual assets for NFTs, generating custom video backgrounds, or producing educational content with dynamic visuals. As VEO evolves, its capabilities will only increase, making it an even more indispensable tool for anyone in the digital content space. Position yourself now to understand and utilize this technology, and you'll be ready to capitalize on the next wave of AI-powered income opportunities. This is not just about creating videos. It's about creating visual experiences and stories that resonate with audiences, all automated through AI. Mastering Google VO means you can offer cutting-edge video creation services that are faster, more flexible, and potentially more cost-effective than traditional methods. It's an exciting time to be a content creator or entrepreneur, with tools like VO pushing the boundaries of what's possible. These 5 AI tools, ChatGPT, Canva Magic Studio, Copy.ai, Opus Clip, and Google VEO, are absolute game changers for digital entrepreneurs. They provide unprecedented power to automate tasks, create high-quality content rapidly, and build scalable online businesses. The key requirement to succeed with these tools isn't technical skill, it's consistency in applying them and learning their nuances. It also requires a strong drive to build something amazing, a willingness to experiment, and the persistence to turn potential into profit. For advanced strategy, don't just use these tools in isolation. Learn how to combine them into a powerful, integrated system. Imagine using ChatGPT for initial content ideas, Copy.ai for sales copy, Canva for visuals, Opus Clip for video shorts, and VEO for unique video assets, all feeding into your business. The ultimate outcome of mastering and integrating these tools is the ability to build a fully automated or semi-automated online income stream this year. This isn't science fiction. It's the reality of AI-powered business. The tools are here and the opportunity is now. Start exploring them today, pick 1 or 2 to master first, and begin building the automated income streams you've always dreamed of. The future of online business is automated, and with these tools, you have everything you need to be at the forefront. Don't wait. The time to start leveraging AI for income automation is right now. Your future automated business awaits. Thanks for tuning in to Money Growth Lab. If you found value in this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new way to grow your income. See you in the next one.